Hello, everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you're having this issue, the item not being available in your country error, in today's video, we are going to guide you through the process to fix it on your Google Play Store. So, without any delay, let's just get started. For that, you can just go over and follow up this process. So, the thing we can do is we can clear Google Play Store data. So, head over and go to your device's settings for that and access it up. Once you access it up, you can go over and find the option for apps and tap on it. After you tap on apps or application, you can select Google Play Store. So go to the search at the top and tap on it. And once you go over there, you can search for Google Play Store and find it up. And once you select Google Play Store, open it up on your screen. After that, you can go over and tap on storage and go over and tap on clear cache and clear data. You can also repeat this process for other Google applications such as Google or Google Play services. So within here, search for Google Play services. After that, go over and go to storage for this one as well. And tap on clear cache and also clear data if necessary. And you can repeat the process for Google and Google Play Music or any other application associated with Google. Once you do so, what you can do is you can reboot your device. For that, you can restart your device. So let me just close off my settings for now. And you can hold your power button for that. And you can look out for this option called restart. After that, go ahead and tap on it and confirm it up. That will reboot your device and that should apply up the changes for you. Once you do so, you can open up the Play Store application again and search for the application again and see if that fixes your issue. Also, try refreshing the store itself and try downloading the app. If that does not work, the easiest method you can do is use a VPN instead. So if you do not have a VPN within Play Store itself, you can go ahead and download a reputable VPN. So go to the search for that and go to the top and you can search for a VPN. After that, you can look out for the VPN that has good review and download it up. And when you go ahead and use it and connect to a VPN of another country, that will let you download the item that is not available in your country itself. And that's it. So you can follow up this process if you would like to fix the item not being available on your country on your Google Play Store. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.